Okay, so I got my doorknob in that I needed for one of my rooms. I remember I told you guys there's some renovations, and I wanted to change my the bedroom doors. I wanted them black versus the silver because I'm doing something with the color. The matte black, I got that in today. I want to show y'all what it looks like. I do have the brand name also in the description of this video so that you guys can go and check it out. But it came in this box, well packed, matte black. That's what it looks like. Really, really nice. And good thing is it comes well packed, and let me see. I'm trying to show you guys everything that I got. Yeah. And then you get 3 keys, which I thought was genius. And yeah, I got some screws here. And they have like a instruction manual here for you to actually put the doorknob on. But I wanted to show y'all how well it was packed, what it was, and you know, I'm gonna put this doorknob on tonight for that room. And I just love the fact that they gave you 3 keys for it. So love that. And I think I'm going to be getting a couple more. And it was only $9.99. So why is that good price? I would advise anyone to go ahead and get you a doorknob if you need it. If you're especially looking for something like this. I think they had glossy matte and something else too. So you have your options to choose from. So yeah, just wanted to share that. And yeah, if you like what you see, then feel free to, you could go and buy them. I mean, I just try to give you guys a heads up of what things are and what they look like before you go and you purchase. Because I do know that some people want to know. And I've noticed that on, social media, they don't always give you the real view of the item. But yeah, it definitely came looking good. Everything seems like it's in working condition. I'm going to go ahead and replace this tonight. So should be interesting.